In the last video, we learned how to access items in a dictionary safely. Now it's time to learn how to change or update values inside a dictionary, which is super useful when you are working with data that needs to be edited, like user info, settings, or scores in a game. So let's dive in. Now the question arises, what does it mean to change a dictionary item? So dictionaries work with key value pairs. If the key already exists and you assign a new value to it, the old value is replaced. For example, let's have a dictionary called student, and there, let's say I have a key called name, the value is Gojo, and then age, let's say 20, and the city is Tokyo. Okay, now if I write the print statement and pass student and run the code, you'll see it prints the dictionary. Now if you observe, the age is now 20. Now if you want to change the value for the key age, what you can do is you can just write the dictionary name, in this case that is student, then in square brackets and quotations you can write the key name, for example age, then you can write the equal sign and write a new value, for example 21. So now after updating the age, what you can do is you can write the print statement again and pass student. Now if you run the code, you will see in the first print statement printed age as 20, but after this line age became 21. As you can see, it updated the age to 21. Behind the scenes, Python finds the age key and replaces 20 with 21. This was a basic example. Now let's see some example with add and update. This is important. Keep in mind that if the key already exists, in this case age key was there inside the student dictionary, then it updates. But if the key doesn't exist, it adds a new item. For example, so already exists, then it updates. Otherwise adds new item. So here, as you can see, there is no grade key here. So if you write student, then square brackets, quotes, you write grade here, equal, and let's say the grade is A. Now if you print student dictionary and run the code, you will see it added grade A to the dictionary. So as the key was missing, it just added that key with this value. So student grade equal A acts like both add if missing and update if it's already there. Now let's have another example with the dot update method. So update method. Now currently the student age is 21, and what we can do is we can write student dot update, and we can write curly braces here inside update method. Then we can write a key name, for example age, then we can give a colon, and here we can write a value, for example 22. Before the age was 21, we are making it 22. Now if I write the print statement and pass student again and run the code, you'll see it prints the age as 22. Now we can even update multiple keys at once. So here we are updating only age, but if you give here a comma and you wish to change the grade as well, I have to give here quotes. Inside there I have to write a grade, and you can change the grade here as well. So you can write here A+. Okay, so now if you run the code, you'll see previously the grade was A. As you can see, now after this line grade became A+, and the age 22. So we are updating two keys at the same time. We can update as many as keys we want. Now when we want to update one value, we can use this approach, and if we want to update multiple values, we can use this approach. And for adding new key value pairs, either of them works. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now let's discuss about some common mistakes. So the first one would be if you write the student dictionary and then call the update method and just give the grade, means the key. If you do this, it will throw error. Keep in mind that you have to give the key as well as the value. For example, B. If you just write the key, it will throw error. Simple as that. Okay, and that's how you can change items in a dictionary. You now know how to update values, add new keys while updating, use .update method for multiple updates at once, and in the next video we'll explore how to add new items in more detail, especially with user input or dynamic data. Oh, before finishing, I want to tell you that now as we have gave both key and a new value, now if I run the code, you'll see that error goes away. You can write the print statement, pass student, run the code, you'll see now the grade is B.